Now we are going to discuss a topics in commercial. We are discussing a topics in commercial arithmetic. That is the transaction, percentage, profit and loss. In that, the first term definition is unit rate. Unit rate means the price of one article is called the unit rate, price of one article. Percentage means we can take percent means per 100. It is denoted by the symbol of cross line, up and down small zeros. Here we are taking one problem, how to find out the unit rate. Okay. The question is, if 24 ball pens cost 56 rupees, find the cost of 18 such pens. First, what they have given, the cost of 24 ball pens. It is equal to 56 rupees. First, we can find out the cost of one ball pen. The cost of one ball pen means the 24 ball pens cost is divided with the 24. Then we are getting the one ball pen cost. Okay. Here 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 7 by 3. That is nothing but 2.333 rupees. Or 7 by 3 rupees. Now we can find out 18, the cost of 18 ball pens. Here we can write one cost of one ball pen is 7 by 3 rupees. So 18 ball pens means 18 into one ball pen cost, that is 7 by 3 rupees. 3 1s are 3 6s are 6 7s are 42 rupees are the 42 rupees is the 18 ball pens cost. Okay, this is the way. First we can find out the per unit. Per unit means the cost of the one article. We can find out anything. First we can find out the one ball pen cost means total cost by number of pens. Number of articles. We get the unit rate. That is nothing but the cost of one thing, one article. Then we can multiply what they are asking. Then we can find out with unit rate into number of articles. Okay. Second question. If a man earns 3,900 rupees in 6 weeks, how much does he earn? How much does he earn in 10 weeks? Here, they have given 6 weeks earning. That is, a man earns in 6 weeks equal to 3,900 rupees. First, we can find out a man can earn or a man earns in 1 week. In 1 week means we can divide the 6 weeks amount with the 6. Okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 is the after subtraction, 6 5s are 30, 0. The 1 week earning is 650. So we can find out a man earns in 10 weeks. 10 weeks means we can multiply 1 week earning amount with the 10, we get the 10 weeks earning amount. That is 6,500 rupees he earns in 10 weeks. Okay. One more problem. Third one. If 3 liters of petrol cost 135 rupees 45 NP. What is the cost of 10 liters petrol? Cost of 10 liters of petrol. Okay. Here also same thing. First we can write the cost of 3 liters petrol equal to 135 rupees 45 NP. Next, to find out the cost of 1 liter of petrol, that is equal to 135.45 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. 1 is the after subtraction 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 1 liter cost is 45 rupees 15 NP. Find out the cost of 10 liters of petrol or 10 liters petrol. That is equal to 45 rupees 50 NP is multiplied with 10. That is equal to 451.50 rupees cost. Okay. The second method, write each percent as a decimal. The first question, 25%. 25% means it is per 100. Percent means per 100. For 25 per 100. That is equal to, in the denominator 2 zeros means we can write 2 digits before decimal point. That is 0.25. Second question, 7.8%. That is nothing but 7.8 per 100. Percent means per 100. Per 100 means the decimal point is moving to left side, 2 digits. That is 0.078. One more problem, third one, 28.3%. That is equal to 28.3 per 100. So it is equal to 0.283. Just in the denominator 2 zeros means the decimal point moving to left side of the 2 digits before. Okay. This is the another exercise. And in this, one more bit. What is that? Write each percent as a fraction in its simplest form. Second bit, write each percent as a fraction in its simplest form. The first question, 22%, that is equal to, the 22% can be written as 22 per 100. Write as a fraction in its simplest form. It is a fraction. In this, in the ones place, the numerator has 2, denominator as 0. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 11s are 22, 2 50s are 100. 11 is a prime number. So it is the simplest form of the fraction. It is the simplest form of the fraction. Second problem. 6 mixed fraction, 6 1/4 percentage. First, it can convert into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1. 25/4 percentage. That is equal to 25/4 per 100. That is equal to 25/4. 100 can be written as 1/100. We know that 25 ones are 25 fours are. It is equal to 1/4 fours are 16. Next problem. See, in that 75.5 percentage, that is nothing but 75.5% means per 100. So it is equal to the elimination of the numerator point means we can write in the denominator 10. That is 100 into 10. Why? Because the decimal point after one digit is there, then we can elimination of the decimal point, we write in the denominator 10. Now it can be divided with the 5. Why? Because in the ones place 5 and 0 is there. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. That is equal to 151/100. Okay, it is the simplest form. Next, one more problem. D, 95 percentage. That is equal to 95 per 100. This is clearly divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 20s are 100. This is the simplest fraction form. Now, one more type. Write each of the following. Each of the following as a percent. That is, we can take one problem, that is 7/10. Write in percent means here in the denominator 0 is there, then we can write it as 0.7. It is simplest form. And the second one is, suppose 3/4 is there. 4 means in the 4 table, 10 will not come. Check with 100. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8 to 2, down the 0, 4 5s are 20. When we can multiply 25 into 4, then it becomes 100 in the denominator. So numerator and denominator is multiplied by 25, then the denominator is go to or turns into 100. Next to 25 3s are 75. It is equal to, in the denominator 2 zeros means write in the percent form 0.75, or it's a decimal form. Then we can write into percent form means this is equal to 75%. Here in the first question, it is the decimal form. Okay, this is the decimal form. Write in percent form means 7/10, and it convert into 100. When we can convert numerator and denominator multiply with 10, then the denominator turns into 100. Numerator is 7 10s are 70. So how much percentage? 70 per 100. That is nothing but 70%. Okay. The another one, third one, 0.05, that is equal to elimination of the point. We can write in the denominator 1 after 2 zeros. Why? Because decimal point after 2 digits are there. So it is simply, we can write it as 5 by 100. That is 5 per 100. That is 5%. And another one, 4, 3 by 5, mixed fraction. First, mixed fraction can convert into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 5. When it turns into 100, 100 is multiply with, divide with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. That is nothing but numerator and denominator is multiplied by 20. 5 20 is 100. 23 2s are 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 2s are 4, 460. It is equal to 460%. This is the conversion of the decimal, conversion of the percent. Percent is convert into simplest form. Percent is convert into decimal form. Okay. These are the one type of problems. Next bit, find the value of. First question, 50% of 200. That is nothing but 50% means 50 per 100. Of means into 200. 2 zeros cancel. 52 is 100. This is the answer. Next one. Second type. 12 1 by 2% of 900. That is equal to mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 by 2 into percentage of 900. That is equal to 25 by 2 per 100 into 900. These two zeros get cancelled. It is equal to 25 by 2 into 9. That is equal to 25 9s are 225 by 2. This is the value, or 112.5 is the decimal point. This is the fraction form. Okay. One more problem. One 75% of 2 kgs. It is equal to 175% means per 100 of means 2 into 2 kgs. We cut with 5, or in 175 and 100 means 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. 2 1s are 2 2s are. It is equal to 7 by 2 kgs or 3 1 by 2 kgs, 3.5 kgs. This is the one type. And D, 8% of ton. 1 ton equal to how many? 1000 kilograms. 8 per 100 into 1000 kgs. 2 zeros get cancelled. It is equal to 80 kgs. Okay. 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs. 1 ton equal to 1000 kgs. Here 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs. 1 ton equal to 1000 kgs. Here another question is quintal. E. 80% of a quintal, that is equal to 80 per 100 into quintal is nothing but 100 kgs. 100 ones are get cancelled. It is 80 kgs. And one more problem. 125% of 10 liters, that is equal to 125% means 100 into 10 liter. 0, 0 cancel. 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 5s. 25 by 2 liter or 12 half liter. These are the another type of the questions. The word problems on the percentage. The first question is 40% of the total children in a school come on foot. There are 600 students. In this, how many total students? Total children in a school equal to 600 students. In that, the percent of children come on foot equal to 40%. We can find out how many students. The number of students come on foot equal to 40% of total students, 600 students. That is equal to 40 per 100 into 600. 2 zeros cancel. 6 4s are 24. 240 students are come on foot to the school. This is the answer. Next problem. In the set of numbers, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. That is nothing but 7, 8, 9, 10. Total numbers are, total 10 numbers are there. What percent of the numbers are even numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 even numbers are. Those are 2, 4, 6, 12. So what percentage? 4 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 40% of the numbers are even numbers. Next, what percent are greater than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 60% are greater numbers. What percent are less than 10? Less than 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are less than 10. So 8 by 10 into 100. 80% numbers are less than 10. This is the way the percentage of the numbers in the real life we are using. Okay.